So how to control it? You can observe
soldiers termite are protect their worker termite.
right, and how they are coming out of this tunnel. And there are thousands in number in a colony. So how to control it and how to stop it from further spreading? Let us see.
This is Termaticide. Its trade name is dimak 50. We brought it from Amazon, and this kill termite colony. We can spray it.
So we are going to spray.
Yes,
So that, and this chemical will kill
termites colony.
right.
We can spray the affected area of termite. So you can see you can see how this termite colony is.
So it's be aware that this should be out of reach of children, right?
Yes.
And we just leave it for one day so that all the termites inside this colony or inside this tunnel will be killed, and the smell is very unpleasant,
Poisonous.
and the chemical is also very poisonous. So after one day we will clean it. So now we spray this insecticide to kill the termites, and you can see the termites are dead. But still we will wait for one day so that the termites which is inside in the tunnel or coming from other sides into this tunnel, they will also be killed. So please comment, have you find or seen in your house